It's February in Winnipeg, the shortest month, but it can feel like the longest when winter's in full swing. This month, we're tackling those often overlooked midwinter tasks that keep your home safe, warm, and ready for the spring thaw. Stay tuned.
You're listening to the Bo Knows Real Estate Podcast. Tips and advice for home buyers, sellers, and owners with award-winning RE/MAX agent, Bo Kaufman.
By now, the excitement of the holidays is behind us. The temperatures are still freezing, and spring feels like a distant dream. But while we wait for those warmer days, this is the perfect time to focus on your home and tackle a few critical tasks that will keep it safe, efficient, and ready for whatever comes next. Welcome back to the Winnipeg Real Estate Podcast. Today we're diving into February's home maintenance checklist. These practical, actionable tips are designed for Winnipeg homeowners who know the challenges of our prairie winters. By staying on top of these tasks, you can avoid midwinter surprises, save money, and ensure your home is ready for the eventual thaw. Let's jump right in. First on the list is attic insulation. When was the last time you checked yours? Attic insulation might not be something you think about often, but it's one of the most critical factors in keeping your home warm during our frigid winters. Poor insulation lets heat escape, forcing your furnace to work harder and increasing energy bills. Take a quick peek into your attic this month. Look for bare spots, uneven insulation, or areas where insulation might have shifted or thinned out. If you spot problems, adding or replacing insulation can make a huge difference in comfort and utility costs. Next up, let's talk about condensation on windows. If you're noticing moisture inside your windows, it's more than just an annoyance. That condensation can lead to mold, mildew, and even rotting wood frames if left unchecked. It's a clear sign that there's too much humidity in your home, and addressing it now can save you from more significant headaches later. Start by improving ventilation. Run your bathroom fan longer after showers or crack a window when cooking. If that's not enough, consider investing in a dehumidifier. And as a bonus, controlling humidity also makes your home feel warmer and more comfortable. Let's shift gears to something simple but impactful: tightening loose hardware. This one doesn't take much time, but it dramatically affects your home's functions. Over the winter, doors and cabinets get a workout, opening and closing constantly, and their hardware can start to loosen. Grab a screwdriver and check all the handles, hinges, and knobs in your home. Tighten anything wobbly or out of alignment. It's a quick win that keeps things working smoothly. Here's a task you might not think about often, but it's critical: testing your backup sump pump system. Winters in Winnipeg are unpredictable, and while we're currently frozen solid, the thaw can come fast and unexpectedly. A properly functioning sump pump can prevent basement flooding and costly water damage. Test your system by pouring a bucket of water into the sump pit to ensure the pump activates. If you have a backup power source, test that too. Taking 5 minutes to do this could save you from a major disaster. Another often overlooked area is your dryer vent. With all the extra layers we wear this time of year, our dryers work overtime, which means lint can build up quickly, creating a fire hazard. Take the time to inspect and clean your dryer vent. Remove the lint trap and clear it thoroughly, but don't stop there. Check the vent hose in the exterior vent as well. A clear dryer vent keeps your home safe and helps your dryer run more efficiently.
You're listening to Bo Kaufman of RE/MAX Performance Realty. Call Bo if you're buying or selling a house or a condo in Winnipeg. Bo knows real estate.
Speaking of things that need extra care in the winter, don't forget about your garage door. Cold weather can damage the tracks and springs, causing them to stick or squeak. A little lubrication can go a long way here. A silicone-based lubricant treats the tracks and moving parts, ensuring everything operates smoothly. This simple task can prevent wear and tear and extend the life of your garage door. Finally, let's end with something forward-looking: planning your spring landscaping projects. Yes, it's still freezing outside, but that doesn't mean you can't start dreaming of greener days. Take some time this month to think about what you'd like to tackle when the snow melts. Early planning gives you a head start, whether planting a garden, updating your outdoor lighting, or building a new deck. sketch out your ideas and research materials, and if you're planning to hire professionals, book them now before their schedules fill up. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on why these tasks matter. Winnipeg winters can be harsh, and our homes bear the brunt of the weather. By staying proactive, you're not just protecting your investment, you're making your home a more comfortable and efficient place to live. Each of these tasks might seem small, but they add up to significant savings in energy, maintenance, and potential repair costs.
Are you looking to buy a house or a condo in Winnipeg? Work with the agent who takes the time to explain the process to you, guiding you through every step. For service beyond the sale, book your home buying consultation with Bo Kaufman of RE/MAX Performance today. Bo knows real estate.
So let's recap February's checklist. Here are the 7 items we just discussed. 1. Check attic insulation for any bare or uneven spots. 2. Address window condensation to prevent mold and improve comfort. 3. Tighten loose hardware on doors and cabinets. 4. Test your backup sump pump system to ensure it's ready for action. 5. Clean your dryer vent to reduce fire risk and improve efficiency. 6. Lubricate your garage door tracks and springs for smooth operation. 7. Start planning your spring landscaping projects. There you have it, your February maintenance tasks tailored for Winnipeg homeowners. These tips are simple, actionable, and significantly impact your home's safety and efficiency. Plus, knocking them off your list now means you'll be ahead of the game when spring finally arrives. Thanks for spending time with me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and are inspired to tackle your February checklist. If you enjoyed this episode, I'd love it if you'd share it with a friend or neighbor who could benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Next month, we'll be talking all about getting a jump start on spring prep. You won't want to miss it. Until then, stay warm and safe and take good care of your home. See you next time.
You've been listening to Bo Kaufman of RE/MAX Performance Realty. Are you thinking of buying or selling a house or a condo in Winnipeg? Call Bo at 204-333-2202. Remember, Bo knows real estate.